Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you the variables in Java. So what is Java variable? A Java variable is a piece of memory that contains a data value. A variable thus has a data type. In Java there are four types of variables: non-static fields, static fields, local variables, and parameters. So a non-static field is a variable that belongs to an object. Objects keep their internal state in non-static fields. Non-static fields are also called instance variable because they belong to instances of a class. A static field is a variable that belongs to a class. A static field has the same value for the objects that access it. Static fields are also called class variable. And local variables. A local variable is a variable that declared inside a method. A local variable is only accessible inside the method declared it. And a parameter is a variable that passes to a method when the method is called. Parameters are also only accessible inside the method that declared them, although value is assigned to them when the method is called. So Java variable declaration: if we declare a Java variable, first data type, then variable name, and then semicolon. For example, integer my variable, which is variable name, and integer is data type, and after that the semicolon, the end of the. So next move on the example of primitive data types in Java. Byte, my byte. Short, my short. Byte is also a data type and it contains the byte memory, and short it contains the integer variables and which is the limited space of integer variable. Character contain character types, and integer variable contains integer type. Java variable assignment: if we assign a data into a variable, we need a variable name equals to value. Byte is data type and my byte is variable name equals to 127, which is value. So if you look at the another example, which is float. Float is data type. My float, which is variable name, equals to 199.99, which is the value of my float. So this brings me end of the session today. I hope you learned how Java variables works and the details of it. In next lecture we are looking on the another basics of Java. Until then, you take care and have a great day.